The 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome enters the market as a compact yet highly functional recreational vehicle, crafted to balance modern convenience with Honda's legacy of reliability and efficiency. This model takes a bold step forward in the design and technology departments, offering an elevated travel experience for solo adventurers, couples, and small families alike. Built on a modified van chassis, its structure remains agile enough for city navigation while still boasting the interior space and amenities needed for extended road trips. From the outside, the motorhome wears a clean, aerodynamic design with smooth body contours and integrated lighting systems. LED headlamps and taillights not only enhance nighttime visibility but also lend a futuristic touch. Honda's signature front grille has been slightly reimagined to suit the motorhome style, with air vents and trim lines that emphasize function as much as form. The dual-tone color options and optional graphic packages give owners the chance to personalize their mobile home. Inside, Honda has maximized space with a clever floor plan that includes a foldable dining area, a compact kitchen, a convertible sleeping zone, and ample storage. The use of lightweight yet durable materials ensures that the interior feels spacious and airy without compromising structural integrity. High-end finishes like wood grain cabinetry, soft-touch upholstery, and ambient lighting create a cozy and inviting environment perfect for unwinding after a day of travel. The kitchen area is surprisingly well equipped for a motorhome of this size. A dual-burner induction cooktop, compact convection microwave, and energy-efficient refrigerator are included as standard. Storage drawers are smartly designed to avoid clutter while on the move, and countertop extensions provide additional workspace. The sink features a retractable faucet and water filtration system, emphasizing Honda's attention to hygiene and utility. Sleeping arrangements are both comfortable and versatile. The main bed folds out from the rear bench seating, with high-density foam cushions and a memory foam topper. It's suitable for 2 adults, and there's also an optional bunk setup or pop-up roof bed for additional sleeping space. The blackout shades and insulated windows ensure a restful sleep, whether parked at a campsite or roadside. The bathroom compartment is compact but efficient, featuring a cassette toilet, fold-down sink, and a retractable shower with hot water. Honda's engineers have utilized every square inch, and the wet bath's waterproof surfaces make cleaning a breeze. Ventilation fans and moisture-resistant materials help prevent mildew and ensure comfort even in humid conditions. One of the major highlights is the motorhome's smart control system. Through a touchscreen interface or connected mobile app, users can control lighting, climate, water levels, and solar power generation. The system integrates voice commands and real-time diagnostics, giving peace of mind and reducing manual tasks during travel. It also supports over-the-air updates, keeping the software current without requiring dealer visits. Powering the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome is a hybrid engine system, combining a 2.0-liter petrol engine with electric assistance. This configuration allows for improved fuel efficiency and a quiet ride, particularly beneficial for early morning departures or stealth camping. Regenerative braking and eco-driving modes further extend range and reduce emissions, aligning with modern environmental concerns. On the road, the motorhome handles with surprising ease. The steering is light but responsive, and the suspension has been tuned to absorb road imperfections without compromising control. Honda's suite of safety features, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alerts, adds an extra layer of confidence behind the wheel. The motorhome's compact dimensions make parking in standard spaces relatively easy, especially with the aid of a 360-degree camera system and park assist sensors. Despite its modest size, the vehicle offers a towing capacity suitable for light trailers or bike racks, expanding its utility for outdoor enthusiasts. Storage solutions throughout the vehicle are plentiful and thoughtfully designed. Overhead lockers, under-bench compartments, and external gear bays allow travelers to organize supplies without cluttering the living space. Optional roof racks and rear storage boxes are also available for those who need more capacity for gear like kayaks, skis, or portable grills. Comfort during all seasons is ensured with a high-efficiency HVAC system, double-pane windows, and optional heated floors. Whether you're parked in a snowy mountain town or by a sun-drenched beach, the interior maintains a stable and pleasant climate. Insulation throughout the walls and floors adds both thermal and sound barriers, improving the overall travel experience. Entertainment and connectivity are well covered with a built-in Wi-Fi router, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and a pop-up smart TV with streaming capability. Honda has partnered with major tech providers to offer real-time traffic updates, GPS navigation, and trip planning tools directly through the infotainment system. Off-grid capabilities are impressive for a vehicle in this segment. A solar roof panel system comes standard, providing enough energy to support lighting, refrigeration, and electronics for short trips. An upgraded lithium battery pack with inverter and optional dual solar arrays can power the motorhome for days without hookups, ideal for remote camping locations. Overall, the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome delivers a polished and innovative solution for modern nomads. It merges dependable engineering with intelligent design and eco-friendly technology, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking to explore the world without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Whether you're taking a weekend retreat or